In today's video, let's talk about how to fix the Telegram file not downloading. So if you're trying to download or trying to automatically download the files that you've received within Telegram, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do is try to wipe out the inner Telegram cloud cache. So what you'll need to do is head over to the Telegram settings and then head over to data and storage. Once you're inside of data and storage, right here you should be able to see the option which says reset auto download settings. You can just tap on it and then tap on reset. If you're trying to download any media that you receive or any file that you receive automatically, make sure you select this option or turn on the when Wi-Fi is connected or when mobile data is connected. Once you complete this step, the second thing that you can also do is try to toggle this option on, which is save to gallery. So if you're trying to receive messages or download the messages that you receive on the private chats, you can simply toggle this option on. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you can also try out is head over to a particular chat where you have received the file and try downloading the file manually. You should be able to tap and hold the file and you should be able to see the option called download. So these are the few solutions that you can try out in order to fix the Telegram file not downloading. I do hope this kind of video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.